Welcome! Today we'll step you through the general process of installing Kuvio tiles to the wall. To determine the most effective installation process, we tested two different methods. One method involved applying the adhesive directly to the wall, while the other applied the adhesive to the individual tile. In the end, troweling on the adhesive to the tile proved to be the best method. The following steps reflect that process. If using trim, start by installing the trim first along all designated edges before installing Kuvio tiles. Apply the adhesive to both the wall and on the back of the trim to ensure a strong hold. Next, place the trim on the wall and apply pressure to make sure it is firmly seated in place. Once all trim has been installed, you're ready to start the tile installation. For the adhesive, we recommend using Tight Bond Fast Grab FRP adhesive available at most hardware stores. Use an 1/8 inch square notched trowel to apply the adhesive to the tile. To minimize mess, we suggest leaving a 1-inch perimeter around the tile free of adhesive. Place the first Kuvio tile firmly on the wall, making sure to position the tile in accordance with the chalk line guides you established from watching the pre-installation video. Creating and utilizing these guides will help ensure your pattern stays level and symmetrical across the length of the wall. Continue to apply tiles to the wall in the specified pattern, making sure to tightly butt the edges of adjacent tiles together. Depending on the environmental conditions of your interior space, the adhesive's tack time may vary. If you find your tiles are slipping, finishing nails can be tacked into the wall just below the Kuvio tile to support it temporarily while the adhesive has a chance to more fully bond the tile to the wall. Once the tiles have bonded to the wall, remove the supporting nails and proceed with the installation. When deciding which tile and area of the wall to install next, utilize the edges of the tile already on the wall to provide a snug puzzle-like fit. This strategy will provide you with the most flexibility during installation and will minimize tile pinch that can sometimes occur when attempting to install a tile on the wall between 3 existing tiles. Continue to work down the length of the wall to complete the installation. Once you find your rhythm, it's amazing how quickly these full Kuvio tiles can populate and transform a space. We found it most efficient to install as many full tiles and simple cut tiles first before moving on to more complex cuts, like cutting around outlet boxes, which can require more time and precision to execute. This concludes the installation process. Thank you for watching our general installation video for Kuvio Dimensional Wall Tile by Lumicor. For more information regarding the tools you'll need for installation or additional install tips, check out our other videos or visit our website, www.lumicor.com.